This is just a quick update video to show you guys some things that I've done and what's to come with this project. I removed the exhaust completely after I installed it because I wanted to coat the exhaust. This is just me showing the before and how it looked when I got done. And I wanted to cover that exposed metal. Those are not stainless steel pipes, but I know if the moment I push the car or drive the car outside and some moisture get to it, those pipes are going to rust. So I want to coat the exposed pipes really well, and the product I used will be in the description box. I did 2 coats with this and I still got over half a can left. Stuff is amazing. I also coated my headers with this product a year ago and it looks amazing. And I want to note, when you guys see the coated pipes, the car was started up several times and it looked like I just coated them, but they turned out decent. I'm pleased with them. Removed the entire exhaust and coated it. Not the mufflers, take them off, but only the exhaust pipes. And it turned out nice and smooth. I don't have to worry about no rusting whatsoever. I want you all to stay tuned for the tachometer video. It should be dropping after this. Nearly 5 hours of footage that I have to edit and chop down and skim through and break down because I've tried so many different things trying to fix this tachometer and wasn't nothing working, but I finally got it. And the next video will be somewhat lengthy, but nowhere near the 4.5 hours of footage that I have to edit through or skim through to get you guys something to show some of the things that I've done. So that'll be dropping next. Also, we're going to be a little bit more consistent here since I'm really pushing to get this car done. The tachometer was holding me up for at least a week, almost nearly 2 weeks that I've dealing with this tachometer. It's held me back from really piecing this car back together. So now that that's out the way, I'll be trying to kick videos out every single day, at least 5 days out of the week, because I'll be aggressive with it now. I got a lot of stuff filmed already. I got about several videos filmed. So stay tuned for back-to-back videos coming. And I'll try to be posting stuff every single day as I really aggressively try to get this car done, a project done, so I can move on to the next. I got a couple things in line after this, but this has to look nice. This has to look really nice when I'm done, and that's what I'm aiming for. So video dropping tomorrow, most likely the next day after that, the next day after that, next day after that, next day after that. So stay tuned for all of that. I'm really working. So I know I've been inconsistent posting, but trust me, I've been working so hard behind the scenes, and lots of footage are coming. So stay tuned. We're about to kick out a lot of footage, and you guys should be entertained about all the things that I'm going to be doing, and hopefully you guys can jump on board. So just need you guys to rally me on with this. Let's get this car done. And thanks for watching. Terrence, I'm out.